Okay.
Oh, that bear loves red, white strawberries. That's big. Big. The big hungry bear can almost return sharply. Shake. Does it say shake? Does it say shake?
Is he shaking? Is he shaking the leaf?
I can't say the words.
It's okay. Just tell him about the pictures. Please, no. Please be gentle with the book.
No. Especially when he's just been picked. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Trump. Swift. No. Don't look at us. Boom, boom, boom. The big hungry bear will trump through the forest with his big hungry feet and sniff, sniff, sniff. Find the strawberry. Oh, where is it? Who is guarding it? Or how is the sky? Quick, there's only one way in the whole wide world to save the red, white strawberry from the big hungry bear. From the big hungry bear. Cut it into share half with me, and we'll both eat it all up. Yum. Now that's one red, white strawberry the big hungry bear will never get.
Gentle.
And the bear hugged the bear.
The end.